Good evening, everyone. I am here with a short update on the Reckless Ben versus Bricks and Minifigures case. Bricks and Minifigures sued Ben in Utah. Ben is a YouTuber who made some videos about a dispute between Bricks and Minifigures and a family that had owned some Legos and had given the Legos to them for sale on a consignment basis. The Utah judge issued a gag order blocking Reckless Ben from making any statements, really of any kind. It was a broad order that, in my opinion, violated the First Amendment, because it barred him from making statements on issues of public concern. So what did Ben's lawyers do? First of all, they did a couple of things. They tried to get the judge to vacate the gag order, and he did not sign the amended order. So they then did something that was very thoughtful and smart. They removed the case to federal court. Removal of a case to federal court can happen in a number of situations, but here you remove the case because the plaintiff, Bricks and Minifigures, and the defendant, Ben Schneider, are citizens of different states. You also have to prove that the complaint seeks more than $75,000 in damages. So they then file a petition for removal. The case is now pending in federal court. This was a really well thought out legal move, because they've changed out the judge, the state court judge who had issued the gag order will have no further involvement in the case and will no longer be able to issue, again in my humble opinion, an unconstitutional gag order. Now, some of you may wonder why Ben just didn't violate the gag order and publish his videos. The long-time rule in the United States is that if you are subject to a gag order, you have to obey it and attack it through the courts. You can't just go outside and violate the law. So he correctly complied with the order, didn't issue whatever video he was going to issue about the dispute about Legos, and then eventually found highly capable lawyers who removed the case to federal court. It is a much harder sell to get an injunction blocking someone from speaking on a matter of public interest in federal court than it would be in state court. Indeed, I would say Bricks and Minifigures' legal position on the injunction part of their case is doomed, as it should be, because the injunction was entirely unconstitutional. It was a unconstitutional prior restraint on speech. Thank you.